Hey guys, LJ here, and today I want to share with you my experience with this Elimipure by Enclave Bioactives. I did receive this as a gift from them so that I could try it out and share my thoughts and opinions, my experience with you. I've been using this for several weeks now and wanted to give it a good try before I shared my thoughts with you. I am one of those blessed individuals that I don't easily go to the restroom every day. Bowel movements is what we're talking, the fun stuff. And I have plenty of girlfriends who are in that same boat. I don't know why some of us have such an issue with that, but I am one of them that definitely suffers from that. This has been very helpful for me. Now, this is not any kind of laxative or anything like that. You're not going to take this and all of a sudden you're stuck at home. I was careful the first couple of days I took it to make sure that isn't what was going to happen, and that isn't what happens, but it has helped me become a little more regular. I'm still not an everyday kind of girl, but it is more regular and more normal now that I have been taking this on a regular basis. This has just got if you look on the back of it, I absolutely love that the ingredients in this are just all natural ingredients. You have wormwood, you have aloe vera, you have black garlic, you have, I think, a husk of some kind. I can't think of the name of that. Senna is in this. All of those things are working together to do a combination of things. Some of it is to help soften stool. Some of it is to help release any kind of stuck issues that are in your gut area, your intestines, whatever. Help flush out some of the things that might be stuck. Some of it's to soften it. Some of it's to help slow down the absorption of calories. Some of it is to help lubricate things. There's a whole combination of things in there that are working, that are all natural plants. There's not a single thing on this ingredient list that is like a chemical of any kind. This is all just natural. Wormwood is another one that's in there. And this has been a very natural and easy to take addition to my daily routine. It does help me for sure. I see improvement in bloating, regularity, all of those things. I'm not 100% regular, but I am much better now that I am taking this on a regular basis. I would absolutely add this in. I will be purchasing this again, even though I received this one as a gift. I will purchase this again and keep this in my routine. It's easy. It's 3 capsules a day. And again, it's not a laxative effect. You're not going to take this and suddenly you're stuck at home sitting on the toilet. That's not what this is going to do. So if you are in severe constipation land, you might want to treat that first and then start this as a daily routine. But it has helped me. I would absolutely recommend that if you have the same issues, you're one of those lucky few like me, or lucky many, I don't know, who have trouble on the regular, this may be something to give a try. It certainly has helped my routine. I would recommend it as something to try. I hope this helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.